I see you.
Good one.
Good one.
Yeah.
Yay! Get it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for throwing it so low right at you.
Okay. Here you go, Sylvie. Where are you going?
She's going up high apparently. Oh,
Up
she wants
this one?
to go.
I can't see you. Sylvie! Where are you?
Sylvie, come on.
Hi! Wanna catch it?
I will get it. Here, do you want me to get it? It's in the middle of them.
Try it from the high one, Josh.
Go up here. Here, hold my hand. Up here. Don't you want to go from the high one?
Look at Josh is up high.
Should I roll it down?
Are you doing your zombie walk? Here comes. Here comes.
Oh.
Go!
Uh-oh.
You gonna slide?
Wee.